Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. In this particular video, our focus will be on introduction and conclusion. As we have already discussed that there are a number of ways to grab attention of the audience right at the start of your speech or presentation. Now, for my speech sample that you have been following right from the very first video in this series, I have selected this quote by John Wolfgang von Goethe, and he says, "One can be instructed in society, one is inspired only in solitude." So this is the quote that I'm going to use in order to grab attention of my audience. The next point is revealing the topic and connecting with the audience. Here I'm going to mention that no matter how social you are, you still need some time and space away from the noise of the world to look into your own self. Maybe that is the reason why all of us need solitude. And if you see the words you, your, and all of us, by trying to use these words, I'm trying to connect with the audience, and meanwhile I'm revealing my topic, that is solitude. The third point says that you have to establish credibility, which means why are you the best person to talk about this, and what makes you special to give your insights on the topic. So the simple sentence that I have written for this speech is, in my pursuit of doing some research on solitude, I found it very advantageous. Now, this is just one aspect, research, like you read a lot and you found out something, but you can aid your experience, you can aid your knowledge, aid your education, professional qualification regarding anything, and you can establish credibility. The last point is thesis statement or central idea. This is something which we have already discussed, how to form one and how you can put a thesis statement in place for your speech. So this is the place where you just need to copy and paste the thesis statement or the central idea which we have already talked about. Now, the next aspect is conclusion. Here we are required three things: summary of the thesis and main points. And if you can see, I have plainly rephrased my thesis statement. And I say solitude is such a wonderful gift, since it inspires creativity, allows one to employ one's maximum capacity for a certain work, and thereby encourages self-transformation. So this is just the paraphrase of my thesis statement. And I relate big to the audience by using those words like, you can also take these benefits from solitude, as you also need some time alone. So by relating it back to the audience in just a sentence or two, you are basically showing to the audience that the topic is still applicable to all of you. And in the concluding remarks, I have written few lines of my own in order to clinch the close. That's what it is said like. So in a versification, I say, take a moment out of your life and be with your inner being. Talk in solitude to your mind and heart. In yourself, you will see many things unseen. So this is how I'm going to close my speech. And it is all up to you. We have already talked about how you can give your concluding remarks and therefore conclude your presentation at a very interesting point. I hope this video will help you understand the key aspects of introduction part of your speech or presentation and the conclusion part of your speech. Thank you for watching this video, and you will find the links to the complete speech which I have written for you and its outline in the description. So please visit the website, read the things in detail, and the things which will be much clearer to all of you. Thanks again. Please subscribe to the channel and keep on learning. Thanks.